Well, there are a few transactions we have closed recently, but the one that excites me the most, Amy, is the 10,000 square foot space right in this building and in the International District. You know, this is the business condominium concept. The people can buy and own each floor individually. It's called MCAP. MCAP is an existing company, and they're good people and they have good operation, and I think they will do well. They will be opening 3 different businesses, an international title company, if you will, and a mortgage company, and an attorney office, an attorney practice. What makes me excited is to bring in a non-Asian in this international district and have a confidence that he or she will be successful based on the location, based on the quality of the product. Asian or the community alone within itself is not sufficient to provide the services. So a smart businessman would tap into an unknown, untapped territory. I have seen a lot of business owners from California, from Taiwan, from other countries who come over here and open businesses. You will see a lot of investors coming in this area. The property is quote unquote cheap and very affordable. Property right here is much cheaper than in Tokyo or in Saigon or in Hanoi, you know. So because of that, it will attract a lot of international investors. You know, the infrastructure in Houston has always been known international. The airport system, the port, the freeway system, especially the very international and the friendliness of the government leaders, and it's make it easier for investors. And we have always felt a sense of welcome and supported to do business here in Houston.